Hi there, today we're going to be showing you how to optimize your branding kit to get the most out of SpeakerHub. So we want to join our SpeakerHub Pro account and go directly to branding kit. Here we can go to my brand, my audience, and my goals. First, we're going to fill it out, my brand. Here, you'll want to upload a photo so people can actually see what you look like and just get more engagement out of that as well. We can create a bio, which is specifically designed with our AI, and this can be just regenerated multiple times until you're happy with it. So we can click on here, and I got a new bio, and I got a completely different bio from what I had before, and in this I can just customize it to whatever I like. So we can cut and just use whatever you like to work with. You can leave it long or short, whatever you like, and then you can also add topics, and this will enhance the way that podcasts are shown to you, or associations, or media, or any other platform that you like to book. Here I would love to add arts and video content and social media. And then here we'll have our professional brand where we can customize it. And for example, I'm going to add a random name, and also we can add your portfolio, your website, a link to anything that it's giving more information about you and your services and what you've been. And then over here in the LinkedIn URL, you can just simply add your profile directly so they can go and check. And this will also optimize the way that your profile looks in SpeakerHub Pro. You can also over here design your default signature, which here you can just see my name at the end of every page, but you can customize it. You can add your email, for example. You can add where you're from. You could add anything that you would like to add in here. I would just keep it like this. Then we are here with the message generation with Writer AI. And here you can just disable or enable and then customize the tone and the length of each customized pitch. I like to keep it enthusiastic and short. And then, of course, you can enable the profile visibility. So we're going to hit save. And that is it. That is the first step on upgrading your branding kit. Then we go back to my audience, which is basically everything that we want to target, every audience or every show, every platform that you like to be joining. Here you can fill it with Writer AI or write it yourself. You can customize the age range. You can pick genders, location, job titles, and income level. Or you can just leave it blank and just have a wider audience. But if you have just anything that you want to target directly or just want to focus on something, you can use this and it's perfect. At the end of the branding kit, you'll have your goals, and this is just to keep track of everything that you have been doing. You can have a goal for podcasts, for associations, for every platform, and then you can also have a goals for like how many books you want to get, how many you want to get for conferences, and then of course the brand builder, which is just a way that makes you more motivated to just follow through the process and set up your profile. So yes, we are done with the branding kit. Let's move on to the templates and see a little bit more what we can customize in SpeakerHub Pro.